Agorapulse is a popular choice for social media management and analytics, but is it the best fit for your business? Here's a quick breakdown of 12 things you need to know before making the purchase, especially when comparing it to other tools on the market like Hootsuite, Buffer, and Sprout Social. First thing to know, Agorapulse has a clean, user-friendly interface. Unlike the sometimes overwhelming setups of competitors, Agorapulse keeps things simple and intuitive, making it easy for teams to jump in without a steep learning curve. Next thing to consider, the social media inbox is a game changer. It consolidates all your social interactions into one place, which is something Hootsuite or Buffer doesn't handle as seamlessly. If you're dealing with a high volume of messages or comments, Agorapulse makes it much easier to stay on top of customer engagement. The third thing, Agorapulse offers robust reporting features. It automatically generates detailed reports that are simple to understand. While Sprout Social also offers good reporting, Agorapulse tends to be a little more budget-friendly with similar functionalities. The fourth thing you should know, Agorapulse supports up to 10 social profiles on its entry-level plan, which is a great deal compared to other tools like Buffer, which limits the number of profiles on lower-tier plans. If you need to manage a variety of accounts, this can be a major plus. Next, let's talk about scheduling. Agorapulse scheduling options are solid, but they don't offer as many customization features as Buffer. If you're someone who needs highly specific scheduling, Buffer might be a better fit. However, for most users, Agorapulse Scheduler does the job just fine, and it's easy to use. The sixth thing to note, Agorapulse team collaboration features are top-notch. You can assign tasks to team members directly within the platform, which is something that's a bit trickier with Sprout Social. However, while great, Agorapulse collaboration features may not be as deep or customizable as some users would like. Next, Agorapulse does a great job with listening and monitoring. If you're looking to keep track of what's being said about your brand, Agorapulse social listening capabilities are highly effective. Competitors like Hootsuite offer similar tools, but they often come at higher price points. The eighth thing to consider, Agorapulse offers unlimited reporting on its highest tier plan, unlike Hootsuite, which charges extra for detailed reports. This is something to keep in mind if you need to regularly dive into analytics. The ninth thing, Agorapulse pricing is competitive. It has affordable plans, particularly for smaller businesses. However, if you're working with a larger team or need more advanced features, Agorapulse higher tier plans can get pricey, especially when compared to alternatives like Buffer or Sprout Social. Next up, Agorapulse doesn't offer as many integrations as some of its competitors. While it integrates well with major platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn, it might fall short if you rely heavily on other third-party apps or want to integrate with your CRM or email marketing tools. The 11th thing, customer support is solid with Agorapulse offering live chat, email support, and a knowledge base. It's not always instant, but the quality of support is good. Hootsuite, by comparison, has mixed reviews on customer support, making Agorapulse a better option for businesses needing reliable help. Finally, Agorapulse offers a 28-day free trial. This is a big win if you're unsure whether it's right for you. Competitors like Buffer and Sprout Social offer free trials too, but Agorapulse's longer trial period gives you more time to dive deep into the features and see if it suits your needs. So, is Agorapulse the best option for you? It's a solid choice, particularly for small to medium-sized businesses or those looking for an easy-to-use platform with good reporting, scheduling, and team collaboration features. However, if you're looking for more advanced analytics or integrations, or you need more extensive customization options, you might want to explore other options. If you're on the hunt for a better solution, check out our recommended platform, which you can try for free.